Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install LocalSend on Firestick. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your Firestick or your TV. Turn it on, and then once that's done, go ahead and find your App Store. Okay, right here. So select it, wait for it to load. And then after that, go ahead over to the search function. Now go ahead and use the search bar. And then just type down LocalSend. Okay. By default, LocalSend is available for Firesticks. All right. So just go ahead and type it down. Or if LocalSend is in the list right here or in the search results, I'll just go ahead and select it. And then LocalSend right here will be available. So select it once more. Wait for it to load. And then once that's done, go ahead and get it. Install, enter your PIN depending on how you set up your TV. And then once that's done, just wait for the installation process to finish. And in a moment, LocalSend will boot up automatically. There you go. That's how simple it is to install LocalSend on Firestick. If you want to know how to use it, go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. I hope this video helps. And I'll see you in the next one.